Tatanong pa.
Wala pa, may timer.
Okay, ready, get, set, go.
So regarding Christmas, gift,
Hindi.
pagkain,
No.
damit,
No.
Magpakustabi.
decor,
Ay, naku, ang init na.
Santa Claus,
Hindi ko na yan.
reindeer, Santa Claus, may kaugnayan,
Pwede.
Ninang, may timer, tandaan nyo.
snow, puto bumbong, teka
Hindi,
muna.
dapat meron naman...
Hindi, saan ba?
Teka, excuse me. Dapat meron man na ano yung clue.
No, ang tatanong
Wala.
niya.
It's all
Hindi,
about
kasi-
Christmas.
Kasi...
Yun na, ano, it's all about Christmas.
It's all about Christmas.
Yun na yung clue.
Yeah.
Bilisan mo, yung hula. Christmas gift, Christmas
Pwede siyang decoration.
English, Tagalog, blah, blah, blah.
Ito na yung...
Ano to pare?
Hindi.
Iyan dapat to sa Christmas?
Hindi. Pwede.
Hindi!
Pinag-isipan ko maigi yung mga words na yan.
Pwede. Tanong ka ba?
Magtatanong ka.
May oras, may oras.
ba to? Baboy, gano'n.
Timing ka ba to?
Tama to.
Hindi ko, pare.
Dito?
Matabang mataba.
Tama nga eh. Dapat yan.
Ba't bang mataba?
Pwede ba? Magtanong kayo, magtanong.
Anong mataba to?
Hindi, mataba to. Naka-red. Kasama sa sang...
Oo, hindi pwede. Pwede lang. You're disqualified again.
Ranger.
Dapat naka-video yan.
Mataba ba yung reindeer? Sarong mo. Yung galang pala. Wait, timer.
Ay, sorry dude. I wanna watch it.
Paano ba yan?
Hold on, dude. There you go. Start.
Hayop? Bagay? Hayop?
Basahin mo ng maayos.
Tulog na si Dudes.
Hayop ba to?
Tama na yan. Iduwanda.
Bagay? Baba! Mahihirapan ka dyan.
Paborito ko yan.
Ang dami mo ng...
Tao! Tao ba to?
Bagay ito.
Bagay to! Bagay!
Ano ka na?
Kaya ko yan, kuya. Go for it. Sabihin mo.
No!
Pwede. Yes!
Lugar! Lugar! Ko! Pa! Tulog! Beer! Beer!
Go!
Oh! Bagay! Lugar! Quality!
Masyado, hindi masyado. Quality meat, quality meat.
Quality!
Teka lang.
Geo stream! Asan ka? Malapit na! Malapit na!
Ay, hindi pagbayaran.
Dito rin! Bahay dito rin! Nakano yan sa winter!
Underneath the Christmas tree.
Bartlett! City! City ba? City ba to? No! City ba? State! State ba? Summer!
Pwede.
Kinalaman lang siya sa
Go for it.
Kinalaman sa Christmas!
Pwede, sabi.
Yan!
Pwede.
Wala na! Time!
104, go ahead.
Quality na! Quality pare! Panahon! Weather? Weather! Ayun! Hindi ba ilagay na?
Ayusin ko.
Dad.
Uy, tama.
Okay, ready, get set.
Yo, yan.
Buka. Hold it. Ready, get set, go up.
You ask question.
Last question. Is it food?
Oh, okay. Food?
Yes.
Yes.
Concept.
More.
What?
Go for it.
Go ahead.
More.
You know that.
It's in the oven right now.
Filipino food.
Filipino food?
Yes.
There you go.
Because it's
Abubu.
Jamil! Read it!
Point,
Read!
point, point.
Read!
Point.
What is that?
It's a pork.
Yes. It's so far.
It's a
15 seconds.
It's a pig!
chicken.
It's a pig.
Read
Go
it!
for it. Spell it for daddy.
Spell for daddy.
You're close.
Spell it for daddy, bunso.
Hindi niya ma-pronounce yun eh.
He knows that. Okay. We have it there. We have it in the table. Yeah.
No. Enumerate the four.
It's Mika.
Speak out!
I don't care about the presents.
It's Mika's sister. It's in the oven.
It's a pig.
You put a stick in her.
You put apple in it. There's apple in the mouth.
There's apple in the mouth.
Apple.
No. Egg rolls, no.
Milas.
It's pork.
Rolling.
It's rolling.
It's the whole pork. Roland. The whole pig, I mean. It's a pig. The whole pig. The whole pig roasted.
Your favorite! Your favorite!
Pork chop.
Pork rolls.
Lechon!
Yes.